Paylater is a digital financial services app. What we're doing is we're actually providing financial services to people who have, prior to this, have never had access. So we are providing them with loans, we're providing them with great investment opportunities, and we're providing them with financial education as well. People didn't have access to loans, especially loans in a short space of time. So at Paylater, we can analyze, assess a loan application and disperse it all within 5 minutes. And prior to that, we just didn't have that opportunity. We launched Paylater in 2016, and in the 2 years so far, we have over 800,000 registered users. We have dispersed in 2018 alone to date over 6 billion naira, and we have a run rate of over 1 billion naira a month. So prior to using Paystack, when we gave out loans, we required physical checks. Now the challenge with taking physical checks means that you have to be where your clients are. So working with the Paystack team, we created the direct debit solution that is so integral. With Paystack, we can onboard a client on the app and they can set up their bank details, their bank card, and we can collect the money when the loan is due. So that allows us to serve clients all across Nigeria. But before that, we were only focused on clients in Lagos. So with Paystack, it has allowed us to scale nationally.
We've used multiple platforms, and I think we've seen higher success rates on transactions with Paystack. What surprised me about working with Paystack is the fact that as we have scaled our service, the reliability of the platform has remained relatively constant, which is not always easy to find. I mean, when you go from 10 loans a day to doing multiple thousands, it gets, with certain platforms, it can get very tricky and it can get very dicey, and they can struggle to deal with the transaction volume. But the experience has been relatively constant, and I think that's one thing that's impressive. It's a bit boring, but in itself is very impressive.